Hello, and welcome to today's ClassClac tutorial on tables and lists. To start, we'll define a list B as equal to the even numbers from 0 to 8, and define a function f of x is equal to x squared. Note that to get the square brackets, I long pressed the parentheses button. Now we can use our list to compute multiple numeric answers, for example, by plugging b into f of x. Alternatively, we can use our list to plot multiple functions, like a parabola, in the example b times f of x. Next, we'll create some tables. To create a blank table, you can either type in table or click Add Table. Let's make our table full screen and fill out some values. In the x column, we'll fill out 1, 2, and 3, and in our y column, we'll fill out 3, 9, and 27 to model the exponential function 3 to the x. To connect the dots on a table, simply hold press the color dot and toggle the line. Each column header in a table acts as a constant, which means they can be manipulated dynamically. For one example, I can dynamically create new columns based on the values of other columns. For another example, I can use table columns in list operations such as mean. As we can see, I can input a table header into a mean just as I can input a list. Lastly, I can also transform a function such as sin x into a table, like so. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassClac tutorial. For more, visit classcalc.com/tutorials.